Hello, welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. I'm just excited, that's why I can't help it but to share my new discovery, my latest discovery. It's a self-watering system. Look, I have here my calamansi tree or bush, this size, it's a bush. And it's been self-supporting for months now. I have a self-watering system. Here, it's a carrot that sips water from here automatically. It siphons water from here. It siphons only the amount it needs, so overwatering does not happen. Look, if we take a closer look, it's dump here. Always dump, without being soaking. Also here, I have here camotes being prepared for the next gardening year, and same system, they are siphoning water from here. By the way, this is not a paid advertisement or a paid film or endorsement. This is a product that I found out thanks to Edwin at the allotment who showed it to me. Very simple. It's low tech. This is ceramic.
This is a terracotta, I think.
And this is filled with water. And it drains. The drainage happens because of the drying of the soil, and water is sipped via this what's this, a pipe or a little hose. I obtained this online, and if you're interested where and how, just drop your question in the comment box. Again, this is not an endorsement. I just can't avoid sharing my satisfaction with this product. By the way, it's made in Austria and it's cheap. I bought this just for a few euros. And there are different versions. I have another set at the garden, well, which I'll be showing later. It's a gravity system. This is siphon. I'll show it to you later. I might as well show you the workings and the preparation of this siphon system. Ideally, I would dip this in water for 15 minutes. Okay. This is ugly. This is this ideally be clean, but this works. I'll just place it here, and the other end here, and that's it. Done. I also have tried this low-tech crude solution. Look, it's adjustable for the amount of water. It's perfect when going away, but it's difficult to regulate, and it can overwater because there's no feedback control. But it's a good drip system, not bad. I'll show you the other. It's not the perfect time for this demo. There's nothing planted, it's winter. Look, I have here, oh, there's still one, I forgot to remove it. Look, this is the distribution system. It's a gravity-fed, self-watering. It's regulated by this carrot. The moisture compresses or relaxes this area, thereby limiting or regulating the amount of water that comes out. I need to remove this and clean it for next year. I think that deserves a better explanation. Let's do that again. So it was like this. Okay. The pressure here is regulated by the moisture, or the moisture in the ground regulates the pressure here, which in result regulates the amount of water that drips from this tube. Simple, low tech. I'll keep this for next year. There's nothing here that needs them. Hello Hello! Warm welcome. This is Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's the place where I grow, cook and share, just like today. I'm cooking chop choy, vegetables that I grow at the garden. This is where I usually cook simple and not pretentious dishes. Dishes that I really love, dishes that I learned from my mother. I also prepare international dishes, dishes that have become regular part of my kitchen. I may not be a trained cook, but I have already prepared for big events and occasions. I even bake cakes for birthdays. Besides cooking, I also have an allotment garden. It's where I grow most of the vegetables and ingredients that I use in my cuisine. I mainly grow local veggies, but I also grow tropical vegetables like these ones. I also grow flowers and make arrangements. Simple and healthy food here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's my aim to get you inspired to be more self-reliant and to start to grow, cook and share. See you on our next videos.